We'll be showing you how to fit a brace while sitting. First, place the brace as low as possible on your hips while maintaining an upright posture, and without twisting, secure the front panels and straps to achieve a snug but comfortable fit. Align the brace to the center of your back. Now we will adjust for comfort and tighten the straps until the brace is snug. As we all expand while we are sitting, once you get up, you will need to readjust and tighten the brace. And that's how we achieve a good fit while sitting.